Hello there, it's Abhinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, this year's IPL has displayed immense competitiveness, and hence that competitiveness has really made IPL the undisputed king among the T20 leagues that were played and shall be played in 2020. Now it's time for me to preview one more match of the ongoing edition of IPL that is going to be played between two star-studded sides, Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 21st of October 2020, this match is going to be played at the Sheikh Zayed Cricket Stadium, Abu Dhabi. In this venue, the matches involving 150 to 170 run chases have been conducted on a consistent basis during the course of this tournament. Courtesy the presence of very less moisture and adequate slowness in and on the surface, expect batsmen to not have a good time. The spinners are expected to utilize the regular UAE conditions from now on in a consistent manner. The pacers, with a number of variations in their arsenal, are expected to shine above one-dimensional paces. Another 160-run encounter is high up on the cards. Since the pitch is expected to slow down as the match proceeds on, expect the toss-winning side to opt to bat first. Kolkata Knight Riders: Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik wicket-keeper, Eoin Morgan captain, Sunil Narine, Pat Cummins, Lockie Ferguson, Varun Chakravarthi, Kamlesh Nagarkoti and Prasidh Krishna. If Russell isn't fit enough to feature in this encounter, expect Narine to replace him. Banton might also replace him to offer that extra batting option to his captain. Narine is expected to be a floater in this lineup if he plays. The likes of Rana, Morgan and Narine have very much looked out of sorts in this season. They need to play well as soon as possible because the playoffs are very near and KKR can't afford to not have their main players clicking in the playoffs. To add up, Punjab and Rajasthan are pushing KKR very hard for that playoff selection. In Russell's absence, this side shall be more of a bowling side, so expect this side's bowlers to play out of their skins to restrict RCB up to 150. Royal Challengers Bangalore: Aaron Finch, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli captain, AB de Villiers wicket-keeper, Washington Sundar, Shivam Dube, Chris Morris, Isuru Udana, Shehbaz Ahmed, Navdeep Saini and Yuzvendra Chahal. RCB look very determined to play Finch throughout the season, but that fact has really reflected huge amount of injustice to Philippe's potential. With Kohli not being in the greatest of hitting form, RCB have been displaying over-dependence upon the informed AB de Villiers, who really has looked majestic this time around. Expect Dube to get redrafted in place of Man, who hasn't really left his mark so far in this season. The likes of Padikkal, who looked in a golden touch during the start of the tournament, too hasn't performed since last 4 to 5 matches. Dube, Morris and Udana have been in a brilliant form in this tournament in all three departments. Expect them to keep complementing Chahal and Saini's never-ending run of form. In the absence of Russell, KKR look like a decently weak side. Expect RCB to capitalize onto their superlative form and back this encounter into their kitty. Take care.